Well, a judge wants the government to testify on their plans for Kilmar Abrego Garcia if he's released from custody. That order came during a hearing in Prince George's County today. The Maryland man was wrongly deported to El Salvador back in March. He's now in federal custody in Tennessee, facing human smuggling charges. DC News Now's Dave Laval was at the hearing and has the latest.
Federal Judge Paula Xinis wants to know what will happen to Kilmar Abrego Garcia if a federal judge in Tennessee releases him July 16th.
Kilmar Abrego Garcia has the right to not be sent to a country in which he will suffer torture.
Simon Sandoval-Moschenberg has pledged not to see that happen to his client. Abrego Garcia remains in custody in Tennessee, held on federal human smuggling charges there from a November 2022 traffic stop. Federal prosecutors proceeded with the charges after his return to the U.S., following his accidental deportation to his native El Salvador earlier this year. A ruling determined Abrego Garcia could not be sent there for safety reasons. Judge Paula Xinis heard arguments as to the federal government's request to dismiss its case involving Abrego Garcia since he is back in the country. His attorneys want Abrego Garcia back in Maryland.
The purpose of bringing him before this courthouse is to put him in the ex-ante position, right, in the position he was before the unlawful arrest.
The arrest back in March led to Abrego Garcia's deportation.
The last time that Kilmar Abrego Garcia was put on an airplane, he did not know where that airplane was flying to until it landed at the airport in El Salvador.
Sandoval-Moschenberg does not want to see that happen again to his client.
Judge Xinis ordered both sides back to court on Thursday. She wants to know exactly where the federal government will send Abrego Garcia if it takes him into custody again. In Greenbelt, Maryland, Dave Laval, DC News Now.